Okay, we are at 2245 Kendall Street in Edgewater. Today is May 27, 2026 at 10:46 a.m. We're checking this main sewer line after sewer repair. We repaired 35 feet at the backyard and 12 feet inside the house. The camera right now has the main city tap connection, 81 feet. Here's the city tap connection. We have a good transition there. All right, let's pull the camera back now. Okay, we're running water at this time. You can see the water is running pretty good. We have a good flowing. Okay, we have here the new transition. Here's the new pipe, 36 feet. We can see the line. We are running water. The flow is pretty good. The sewer cup is performed from the double sweep cleanouts. There's a new cleanout access. Okay. So now let's check it out. The second cleanout. This is one. The second cleanout runs inside the house. Alright, here's the second clean out. Check it out. Here's the transition, PVC plastic to SDR plastic as well. You can see we're running water, no bellies, no cracks. The entire line is completely plastic. Okay, here is the transition to a schedule 40. It's pretty good. No more bellies, no cracks. There's the Y, new Y. It's pretty good. All right. Thank you for watching.